So we got this situation. In this question, you will observe that you got little bit sense of definite integration. So what is that definite integration is? So in definite integration, you have to integrate first, and then later what you have to do, you have to replace x with the upper limit minus replace x with the lower limit. So this value will give you area under the given curve under this x. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. So if you'll observe this question now, you will find that there is no clue related to it. Means what I should take as z. We don't know how to approach this question. But if you'll observe, the denominator is having bigger power, and if we will, you will observe this root function. Okay, so it has so many things inside it. Okay, so what I am suggesting you, take maximum thing common. So if you'll observe, you are having 4 common. 4 is the biggest power. So if you'll take 4 outside, because of the root, you will have x to the power 2. And that x to the power 2 will get clubbed with x power 3, and it will make it x power 5. So let's simplify things. So x power 2 by x power 5 will become 1 by x power 3. Okay, minus 1 by x power 5. Correct? And then we have dx. Now let's do the simplification of the denominator part. So you will have 2 minus 2 by x power 2 plus 1 by x power 4. This is with root. And if you'll observe this thing, if you will take this thing as z, 100% the denominator power will get increased. Correct, na? So what I am suggesting you, just take that thing as z. So 2 minus 2 x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4. Because we guys are handling root, square root, so I will take z square instead of z. So let's do the differentiation both side. So it is 2z dz by dx. Now differentiation of 2 is a 0 because it's a constant. Now differentiation of this component will take minus 2 in the coefficient. Already you are having minus 2, so that thing will become 4 x to the power minus 3 minus 4 x to the power minus 5. So if you'll observe, 4 is the common. Okay, so can I take 4 common? We will be left with 1 by x power 3 minus 1 by x power 4. So look at this. Our assumption was right. We got things which is in the numerator. Let's do the simplification little bit. So we can replace the numerator by z by 2 dz equals 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 5 and then dx. Okay, let's do the replacement. So it is 1 by 2 integration z dz, and because it is root, inside root you are having x square, so because of root it will become z. So this thing gone. So now we have to integrate 1. So what is the integration of 1? It is z plus c. Now who is z? Who is z? Z is this ugly thing. So can I write root over 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus integration constant c. Let's do this little bit more simplification. So you have 2x power 4 minus 2 2x square 2x square plus 1 upon x power 4, this thing, plus integration constant c. Now we will put the limits. So required value is 1 by 2. So the upper limit was 2, lower limit is 1. So let's replace x with 2. So it is 2 power 4, 16 into 2, 32 minus 8 plus 1 by 16 plus integration constant c. So this is your upper limit. Now go with the lower limit. So 1 by 2 in root over 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon 16. Sorry, it is 1, no. Plus integration constant c. Now let's do the simplification. You know that this c will be neutralized by this c, and 32 minus 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 ka root is 5. So it is 5, and here you will have 4. 4 twos are 8. है ना? Minus 1 by 2. Let's convert it into 8. So it is 4 by 8. So it is 1 by 8. So according to us, answer is this. But according to them, answer is u by v. U by v. But they wish to multiply 1000 with u. Okay, so let's multiply 1000 both side. 1000 both side. So let's simplify things. So it is 125. Okay, so the value, the required value is 125. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you got the approach, and you can apply this kind of logic in upcoming questions. Okay.